RCMTM Men's Body Measurement. Neck. Place the tape measure at the middle of the neck, 3 cm above the pit and nape of the neck. Measure around with 1 finger allowance. Chest. Measure around the fullest part of the chest with 2 fingers allowance. Make sure the tape is not too tight. Stomach. Measure around the narrowest part of the customer's back with 2 fingers allowance. Make sure the tape is parallel all the way around and is not too tight. Waist. Measure around the waistband with 2 fingers allowance. You can adjust the measurement slightly based on customer specifications. Most customers prefer the measurement to be slightly tighter. Hip. Measure around the fullest part of the hip with 2 fingers allowance. Make sure the tape is not too tight. Thigh. Measure around the thigh at the widest point with 2 fingers allowance. Make sure the tape is not too tight. U-rise. Take the measurement from the top of the waistband at the center front seam down along the front rise across the crotch, then up to the top of the waistband on the center back seam. Make sure that the tape measure is not tight or slack and fits the customer comfortably. Bicep. Take measurement around the fullest part of the upper bicep with 1 finger allowance. Wrist. Measure around the wrist. Shoulder. The measurement is taken from the customer's left shoulder point, across the nape and then to the right shoulder point. Shoulder point, starting from the neck point, move along the shoulder line to the shoulder end and then bring this point 0.5 cm forward to the front. If the shoulder is extremely wide or narrow, you can adjust accordingly. Mark the 2 shoulders points. These 2 points will be used to measure for the front shoulder measurement. Please note, if the customer's bicep is extremely large, the shoulder point should be in line with the widest part of the bicep. Sleeve. Measure from shoulder point to the middle finger knuckle and then reduce to 4 cm. Front shoulder. Measure from the customer's right shoulder point across the collarbone to the left shoulder point. Line of stomach. Fix the waist belt at the narrowest part of the customer's back as the video shows, or you can adjust ±2 cm according to the body proportion. It is important to ensure that the tape is parallel at the front and back. This measurement is critical. Nape to waist. Measure from the nape of the neck vertically down to the line of stomach. Back jacket length. Measure from the nape of neck vertically down to the channel of the hip. You can adjust according to customer specifications. Back waist height. Measure from the line of stomach vertically down to the top of the waistband. Front waist length. Measure from the neck shoulder point vertically down to the line of stomach. Front waist height. Measure from the line of stomach vertically down to the top of the waistband. Pant length. Measure from the top of the waistband to the floor and then reduce to 1 to 2 cm. Special body type. Place shoulder device on shoulder line between the neck shoulder point and shoulder point. Then make record of position of the droplet. Normal shoulder. The droplet is in a green area. Moderate slope shoulder. The droplet is in B, yellow area. Very slope shoulder. The droplet is in C, red area. Moderate shrug shoulder. The droplet is in D, yellow area. Very shrug shoulder. The droplet is in E, red area. Open the two wings of the back device and place the dial on it. Place the device on the nape of the neck and the two wings on the blades. Make a record of the position of the droplet. Normal body type. The droplet is in A, green area. Slide stoop. The droplet is in B, pink area. Moderate stoop. The droplet is in C, yellow area. Very stoop. The droplet is in D, red area. Portly. The stomach is obviously portly when you view the customer's posture from the side. Arm forward. The arms are obviously forward than normal when you view the customer's posture from the side. Arm backward. The arms are obviously backward than normal when you view the customer's posture from the side. Prominent seat. The seat is obviously prominent when you view the customer's posture from the side. Flat seat. The seat is obviously flat when you view the customer's posture from the side. Drop seat. The seat is obviously dropped when you view the customer's posture from the side.